In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off Twitter or X sensitive content. But before that, let me tell you or remind you that you cannot do this tutorial if you're using the Twitter application. So if you're using the Twitter application, you have to exit that. Step one, you have to open to any web browser. It can be Google, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Step two, what you're going to do here is to simply look or search for Twitter, Twitter X, and then tap that one. Step three, what you're going to do is to make sure that you're logged in to this application or you're using your Twitter account. Step four, at the top left corner, click your profile, and then scroll down and look for settings and support, then tap settings and privacy. Step six, you have to scroll down and look for privacy and safety. Tap this one. Step seven, click content QC. And then step eight, you have to make sure that you check this box here. Display media that may contain sensitive content. Click this one, check this one. And then step nine, you just have to make sure that you have unchecked these two boxes. So if you see that you have checked these two boxes, you have to uncheck this. As easy as that. And that's how you turn off Twitter or X sensitive content. So as you can see here, safe search settings updated. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.